Hey everyone, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and easy to use Excel-based tools. Today I want to go over a problem that a lot of companies that do anything that has to do with delivery and driving have in common. So have you ever copied driving distance into a spreadsheet and looked them up trip by trip, one at a time? Today I want to show you how our Excel driving distance calculator has been making life easier for companies that deal with this every single day. So let me share a real story about a global apparel company that was struggling to calculate driving distances and travel times for their operations. So their operations manager, had to look up every single trip on Google Maps, then type the distances and travel time into the Excel spreadsheet to try to calculate cost. With dozens of deliveries going out every day, the process took hours and was extremely frustrating. So enter our Excel driving distance calculator. When they started using our tool, everything changed. The Excel driving distance calculator connects directly to Google Maps and without needing any coding or anything to install. But this means that every distance and travel time that you see in Excel comes straight from Google Maps as you were to have typed that and look those one by one. We'll also include a step-by-step video guide on how to set up your own Google Maps API so you can get started quickly and with confidence. But here's a quick example. Let's suppose you have a distribution center at 123 Warehouse Lane, Chicago, Illinois, and you need to deliver to 10 clients in the city. You need to calculate the addresses or the driving time and driving distance from the warehouse to each one of those clients. So all you got to do is paste the list of addresses into the from and to columns, click calculate, and watch the tool automatically fetch the driving distance and driving time from Google Maps. And for our European friends, you can also switch between miles and kilometers. And the tool accepts full addresses, full street addresses, zip codes, city names, even latitudes and longitudes, and anything in between. Is flexible enough to handle almost any type of data, any type of addresses that you have. For the apparel company that we were talking about, the difference has been huge. Their operations manager no longer has to spend hours, a lot of time doing manual lookups of the addresses and distances. Instead, they can run those in a jiffy with our Excel distance calculator, and the team gets accurate results, no errors, and he can focus the rest of the time in making sure that the operations run smoothly. So if you'd like to save time and simplify how you calculate driving distances and travel time, just click on the download link in the description, and you'll be able to download our Excel driving distance calculator using the link, again, link in the description. And also, mean a lot to me if you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thank you for watching, and happy calculating.